What's up, guys? So today on that 503 Rex, gotta take out the transmission. Had a little problem where it's leaking, not sealed properly, and then it's leaking from the torque mount bolt. So now we gotta take it off. What a day, right? Nice, beautiful, gorgeous day, and now we gotta take it off. Screw it, tomorrow's Friday. Gotta make it to the car meet, right? So as you guys can see, I gotta take off the radiator, gotta take out the dump pipe, gotta take off the mount. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the piping off, maybe I can get around it. Take the starter out. I gotta start draining the radiator. As you can see, all that's coming out from in here. It's all spilling from the seals and then the actual torque mount hole itself. Alright, we got it all up on jack stands. So now, next step is obviously pull out the nut. Start removing everything and then let it drain. Oh shit, going strong. Reminds me of me when I'm in the bed. Alright, so now I gotta leave it alone. Let's do its thing. And I'll come back in a little bit and start pulling it out. Now the next step is I gotta remove the wheels, leave the axles, so I can pull the trans and axle together not to spill any oil. And then the forks and subframe, and that's about it. So I'll see you guys when I get back. So the next step is, well, I already took it ahead, but remove this one, remove this one, remove that, and then pull it all out because I forgot the stupid 32 mil for this. So this is where we at. So I pulled it all out, got the axle out, left the half shaft in there, pulled the tranny down, left the axle in. Didn't have the 32, which I got it today, so pull this out, take the tranny out, then I'll be able to pull the bitch pin out, unbolt that 10mm bolt for the shifter, and then drain all the oil, and then get it ready and take it in so I can have this resealed and figure out why it was leaking from the torque mount. Alright, got the tranny out. All the oil that I drained out of it, not much. No worry, that's my kitty litter. I'll put some more kitty litter from all over there over here and we'll get that done. No worries, I'm not polluting. Alright, we'll be taking this in. Got the tranny in there. Just shut up. Sneak peek at the all-wheel drive setup. Leaking a little bit of oil from the differential, as you can see. A little bit. JK. Alright, just picking up this transmission. I ended up bringing my old one back because I had a little problem, but talked to Jerry Ortiz and he helped me out, fix it all good. He's right here. Figure out the problem.
Yeah, man. You know how we go. We take care of each other around this community.
Exactly. So if you guys ever need any problems, anything issues with transmission related, go to Jerry Ortiz. Take care of you guys. So I got the new tranny, got it replaced. Old one was leaking. Let him know. He helped me out. We got it recovered. Swapped out trans. Now got me a good one. And that time we put it back in the Rex and get this bitch going. Because we all know today is Friday. I'm not gonna be able to make it today, obviously, but I will make it out to tomorrow, to Saturday, and see what the fuck happens. So we'll see. Very good guy, straight up. Told him I had issues with the transmission. Told me bring it by, take it out. Pulled it out, brought it here. No problems, no issues. Stand-up guy, Jerry Ortiz, straight up, hooked it up. can I say? He's a good man. If you guys need any transmissions, go to him. If you guys have any problem with the transmission, go to him. Anything you guys need, transmissions or anything else related, go to him. Alright, arrived. Took a little bit longer than expected. Had to get some stuff, you know. Now we got the LS tranny. Gonna pop it in real quick. As you can see, we got a little bit of a mess. Then I need to fix the VTEC pressure switch, my ground, my reverse right here. But that'll be fixed after the transmission's in. So pretty much just put the transmission in real quick, and the rest is all fine and dandy and fast. Alright, no more supporting. Got the tranny in, most of the bolts are in. We got the tranny mount on. Now we're gonna do the starter, and then that's it. Either somebody's getting shot at, or that's fireworks. Alright guys, we're back at it again. Everything is pretty much bolted on. Axles are in. New tranny's in. Axle nuts tight. Now I just need to do the starter, the power, the little miscellaneous wires I have here, and that'll be it. And I'll be ready for tonight. So, got everything back on. Another day. Had to stop last night. Had a misfit, I guess. So now we got the starter on. Everything's all good. Now I need the radiator and my VTEC and my VTEC solenoid and ground, and that's it pretty much. So stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're done. There she's on the streets. Sold the BBS reps, now I'm on LS webs, but I'm in the market for some new wheels, so we'll see what's in store next. I want to fix that and then paint it all white again, and I'll be set. So until next time, stay tuned for the next mod. That 503 reps.